In the next 20 minutes, I'm going to guide you into a state where your heart and brain fully synchronize. Your heart rhythm becomes smooth and ordered. Your nervous system shifts from stress into balance, and your mind becomes remarkably clear. Scientists call this coherence. You don't need any experience. You just need to be willing to slow down, breathe, and feel. Let's begin. Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down, whatever feels right for you. Let your hands rest gently, and if it feels safe to do so, close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and release it slowly through your mouth. Let everything go with that exhale. Again, breathe in deeply, filling your lungs completely. And exhale. Let your shoulders drop. Let your jaw soften. Let your body become heavy. Now bring your attention to the top of your head. Notice any tension there, and with your next exhale, let it dissolve. Move your awareness down to your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks. Let every muscle in your face relax completely. There's nothing you need to do right now. There's nowhere you need to be. Feel the relaxation spreading down through your neck and into your shoulders. These muscles carry so much throughout the day. Give them permission to let go. Let that wave of relaxation travel down through your arms, your hands, your fingertips, down through your chest, your belly. Feel your torso becoming soft and open. Down through your hips, your legs, your feet. Your entire body is now settling into stillness. Now, gently bring all of your attention to the center of your chest, to your heart. If it helps, place your hand over your heart. Feel the warmth of your palm against your chest. Feel the gentle rhythm of your heartbeat underneath. Your heart contains its own network of over 40,000 neurons, what researchers call the heart's little brain. It processes information, it sends signals, and it's always in conversation with the brain in your head. Right now, I want you to begin breathing as if your breath is flowing directly in and out of your heart. Imagine the air entering through your heart center and leaving through your heart center. Breathe in through your heart for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And breathe out through your heart for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Continue this rhythm. 5 seconds in, 5 seconds out. In through the heart, out through the heart. With each breath, imagine your heart center glowing a little brighter, like a warm light expanding in your chest. Keep breathing. In through the heart, out through the heart. Slow and steady. This breathing pattern, approximately 5 seconds in, 5 seconds out, is known to activate the vagus nerve and help create a smooth, coherent heart rhythm. Your body is responding to it right now. Continue breathing in and out through your heart. Now comes the most important part of this practice. The coherence between your heart and brain doesn't just come from breathing, it comes from feeling. When we intentionally generate feelings of gratitude, care, or appreciation, our heart rhythm shifts into a coherent pattern. The signal your heart sends to your brain changes, and your brain responds with greater calm and clarity. So while you continue breathing through your heart, I want you to begin to feel. Not think, feel. Think of someone or something you are deeply grateful for. It could be a person, a moment, a place, something that, when you bring it to mind, makes your chest feel warm. Stay with that feeling. Let it grow. Don't rush past it. This feeling is the practice. Now, amplify it. Imagine that feeling of gratitude radiating outward from your heart like ripples on water. With every beat of your heart, the feeling expands beyond your chest, beyond your body, filling the space around you. Now, let the gratitude shift into something even deeper. Begin to feel appreciation for your life, not for what it could be, for what it already is, for the breath in your lungs, for the body that carries you, for the simple fact that you are here, alive, in this moment. Let that appreciation expand. Feel it in your heart. Feel it in your hands. Feel it behind your eyes. You don't need to force anything. Just stay with the feeling. Breathe it in. Breathe it out. Let your heart lead. By now, your heart and brain are beginning to synchronize. You may notice a feeling of expansion in your chest, a sense of calm that feels different from just relaxation. Something deeper, quieter, more still. This is coherence. In this state, your nervous system shifts out of the stress response and into balance. Stay here. You don't need to do anything more. Just breathe and feel. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Gently return your attention to your heart. Return to the feeling of gratitude. Return to the breath flowing in and out of your heart center. Now, while you're in this state, I invite you to set a quiet intention. Not a demand, not a wish, an intention. Something you want to welcome into your life. Hold it gently in your heart. as if it's already on its way to you. Don't think about how it will happen. Just feel what it would feel like if it were already here. The relief, the joy, the gratitude. Let your heart generate that feeling now, as if it's already real. When your heart is coherent, the electromagnetic field it produces becomes more ordered. Imagine that field carrying your intention outward, like a signal being broadcast into the space around you. Breathe, feel, trust. Continue to rest in this feeling. There's nowhere to go, nothing to fix. Just presence, just coherence. Now, gently begin to bring your awareness back. Keep your eyes closed for a moment longer. Take a deep breath in. Fill your lungs completely. And let it go. Place both hands over your heart if they aren't there already. Feel the warmth. Feel the rhythm. This heart of yours has been beating without you asking every moment of your life. Take a moment to thank it. Notice how your body feels now compared to when we started. Notice the quality of your thoughts, the space between them. This is what coherence feels like. And the more you practice, the easier it becomes to return to this state, not just in meditation, but in your daily life. Regular practice of heart-focused breathing with elevated emotions has been shown to increase your heart rate variability over time, which is linked to greater resilience and better emotional regulation. You've just given yourself a powerful gift. 20 minutes that can change the trajectory of your entire day. And if you do this consistently, it can change much more than that. Stay in this coherent and relaxed state for a few more minutes. When you're ready, begin to gently wiggle your fingers and your toes. Take one more deep breath, and when it feels right, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to adjust. There's no rush. Carry this feeling with you. Whenever you feel stress rising, place your hand on your heart. Take 3 slow breaths and remember this state. Your heart remembers. Thank you for being here. If this meditation helped you, leave a comment and let me know what you felt. And if you'd like to go deeper, subscribe to Manifest Melodies for more guided meditations like this one. Until next time, take care of your heart. It's taking care of you.